Before you move on to keeps and lifts, and before the children start playing with actual racket and the shuttle, I think you need to focus more on their footwork first. So as a progression, we start off only with standing and then move on to the one step, and then we move to three steps. So for the one step movement, I think you need to get their foot position right, their body balance, and everything has to be right. So they need to get used to keeping the one step movement with proper technique. So for developing the one-step movement, you can use cones or you can use shuttles, and you can place some of the cones here, some of the cones there, so that you're engaging more and more children. So for the one-step movement, we have one cone this side, one cone the other side. So you will be doing both forehand and backhand at once. So as I mentioned earlier, this will be your ready position, and from here you move one step to the forehand, one step to backhand. So it is only one step. So from here, now you're doing without the racket, so you can keep your hands behind, and from here you move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here you need to make sure the toe toe is pointing towards the cone, your knees bent, not too much forward, okay, and your body balance is also correct. And now when you come back, just focus on the back leg, which is the left leg. It stays there. You come back here, and when you move to the backhand corner, the left leg rotates a bit, rolls, and then this is your backhand side position. And then back, forehand, back, backhand. So this same thing you can do it with the shuttles. So like we did for the cones, you do it with the shuttles and everything remains the same. 1, back, 2, back. So you're not actually touching the shuttle. The shuttle is just a indication that your toe has to be pointing towards the shuttle, and then you come back. And one more thing, you need to make sure the heel is placed down first and then the toe. So most of the children might keep their toe first. So that has to be avoided. So it has to be heel and toe, heel and toe. And make sure the toe position is not inwards. It's not pointing inwards nor outwards. It is pointing towards the shuttle or the cone.